Hello and welcome to another session of Power BI. Today we are going to have a look at all the visualizations which are available outside the Power BI app. So today we are going to understand what are various visualizations available at the marketplace, steps to use that marketplace visualization in your Power BI desktop, and rules to make or post visualizations to a marketplace on your own. The third point over here is a little advanced topic which I would like to give you a very high level view of how and what things you need to take care in order to have your own visualization developed and deployed in the marketplace to be used by others. Let's have a look. So now in order to view this, let me open my existing app, Power BI desktop, wherein you would see three dots under the visualization uh, area. The three ellipses, if you click on it, it says import from a file, import from a marketplace, and you can delete a custom visual. So if I have to tell you, this is a scroller which I have imported from marketplace. Let me delete it and add it again. So this is the new one which I added it. I select it, I delete it, and yes, so now it's gone. There are two ways in which you can import a visualization from a marketplace, either through a file which is like a pre-downloaded visualization from the marketplace in your local environment, or you can directly go to marketplace and you can install it right over here. The second option over here is very handy and it saves lots of your time and effort eh, and coordination, as in what visualization are you downloading, what visualization are you importing, and then setting it up. Let's have a look at a marketplace visualization. So under this pop-up, you'd see what all organizational level visualization which are custom developed by the organization and available to the end users. Currently, there are no visualization in my organization. So let's see as a Microsoft Marketplace visualization. These all what you see in front of you is a third-party visualization tool, and in this, all these visualizations are above and beyond the default visualization, which the default ones right now purely correlates with your Excel usage of the bars and the charts and the scatter plots and the donut charts. Now these are pretty advanced visualization developed in order to cater to the sophisticated needs of your organization. So these are very neatly categorized as in advanced analytics. Like you see the Venn diagram, you can see a natural language insight, time series decomposition chart. Then there are data visualization. As of now, nothing is there. Editors pick. These are the ones which Microsoft strongly advises us to make use of. Advanced Donut Light Edition, and this is Synoptic Panel by OKViz, Infographic Designer. So these are very highly recommended ones which an organization or a developer like us can make use of. Filters, like we saw, there are different kinds of filters available to us, right? So this can be updated. Time series visual, dev scope, so many filters. Enlightened world flag slicer, enlightened slicer. As you see, as these slicers are made by different company, Microsoft ensures that it highlights the company name which developed this visualization. Different kinds of gauges. If you have a look at it, this is a sample diagram how they would respond on your Power BI desktop. Infographics, again, scatter plot, KPI, scroller. This is the one which we were trying to add, and this is certified one. So the certified ones are always with a tick box from Microsoft. So have a look and keep a check on these ticks available to you. Let's add the scroller. So as soon as I add the scroller over here, you would see the visualization got imported without any handling of background files. An alternative way of importing this visual would be we can go to appsource.microsoft.com/enus/marketplace. When you come over here, you would see we can see what all visualizations are available. We can have a look at Power BI apps. So when I say Power BI apps, there are 173 different results which are available for me to make use of these. So if I have to tell you Power BI visuals, 217 different visuals, and in it we can now search for the same scroller. So there are two ways in which you can import. So the second method, like I saw, that I'm trying to show you here is, let's search for a scroller visualization. Let's have a look at it. Where is the scroller visualization? And these are so many, 217 in all. So let's do a quick search, scroller. This is the one. This is the third one, what we saw. If we click on it, it takes us to the page wherein we can click on Get Now, right? There are reviews as well. When we click on Get Now, it asks me for my credential. It ensures where I'm downloading it. It allows you to have a look at that visualization, and this is the button download for Power BI, which would download the same PBIX file. One more unique thing what I would like to highlight you over here is, since there are so many visualization, you definitely would want to view it first before downloading, implementing it in your project. There is a section called as try a sample section, wherein you can download the report like this, and you can then open the report to view how does it function and what parameters does it take. So if I have to show you different visualizations today, this is a very good way in which we can make use and understand what all different visualizations are available. All right. So this is how the scroller works. So what does it take? So if I click on it, I see different properties. It is taking one particular column of this thing. For this dummy category, let me see what all data does it have. Is it having only one column? Is it having many columns? This is the dummy category. I want to view it. Let's click on this. So there is only one value under it. That's it. So, and have a look at it. This is what it is taking us to be. Any other data fields? No. Only this column is present over there. That's it. Yes.